Is it time to buy or sell SOXL ETF? In this video, we will explore SOXL in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 7th of April, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any critical updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since March 25, 2025, our system has ranked SOXL as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -4.11. Now, let's examine the ETF's performance during this time frame. The ETF faced a loss of 55.47%. This amounts to an average daily loss of 5.55% since it was classified as a sell candidate. The exchange-traded fund is currently positioned at the lower end of a broad and declining trend in the short term, which could present a promising buying opportunity. Should the lower trend floor of $8.43 be breached, it would signal a stronger rate of decline. The existing 3-month trend indicates a potential decrease of approximately 44.85% over the upcoming 3 months, with possible returns ranging from a decrease of 49.18% to an increase of 33.28%. Examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis suggests a projected change of -40.3%. Based on our evaluations, the stock's performance could fluctuate between a decrease of 62.47% and an increase of 197.87% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price within the range of $3.43 to $27.25. Our latest daily update for SOXL includes the headline, Significant Movements in SOXL ETF Price on Monday, fluctuating 51.97% between high and low. The SOXL ETF price increased by 4.81% on the last trading day, which was Monday, the 7th of April, 2025, rising from $8.73 to $9.15. During that trading day, the ETF experienced a fluctuation of 51.97%, with a low of $7.23 and a high of $10.98. Over the last 10 days, the price has declined in 7 instances and is down by 56.43% during this period. Notably, the trading volume rose on the last day alongside the price, indicating a positive technical signal, with a total of 236 million more shares traded compared to the previous day. Overall, 718 million shares changed hands for an approximate total of $6.57 billion. In the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF reached $70.08, while the lowest was $7.23. Currently, the price is 86.94%, or $60.93, below the 52-week high, and 97.58%, or $369.09, below the all-time high, which was recorded on the 26th of November 2020, when the price peaked at $378.24. The Direction Daily Semiconductor Bull 3x Shares Exchange-Traded Fund, known as SOXL, has experienced significant volatility recently, reflecting broader trends in the semiconductor sector. As of late February 2025, SOXL was priced at $26.30, a steep 62% decline from its peak in 2024. This downturn has been partly attributed to the diminishing excitement surrounding the artificial intelligence boom, which previously propelled semiconductor stocks to new heights. In addition to the deflating AI bubble, competition is intensifying in the graphics processing unit market. Companies like Google and Amazon are pushing custom GPUs that have begun to erode the market share traditionally held by giants like NVIDIA. This increased competition is not only squeezing profit margins, but also raises concerns about SOXL's efficiency in tracking its benchmark index, which can deter investors. While recent panic over DeepSeek's AI advancements has created a significant drop across semiconductor stocks, some analysts suggest this volatility could represent a buying opportunity for aggressive investors. This perspective hinges on the belief that the semiconductor industry remains vital for economic growth and may rebound rapidly. In the short term, the combination of increased competition, market shifts, and the fading AI bubble poses risks for SOXL's valuation. However, if the sector stabilizes and demand rebounds, there could be a potential recovery in the long term, benefiting investors willing to navigate its inherent risks. The strategic positioning of SOXL will be critical to monitor in the coming months as these factors continue to unfold. The following signals have been identified for SOXL. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Friday, April 4th, 2025, and so far it has risen approximately 4.81%. Further increases are indicated until a new top pivot is established. Volume is rising alongside the price, which is considered a positive technical signal. However, some negative signals have also emerged, which may impact the near-term development. The SOXL ETF holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a more negative outlook for the ETF. Additionally, there is a general sell signal stemming from the relationship between these two signals, where the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. During upward corrections, resistance may be encountered at the levels of $13.35 and $20.32. A breakout above any of these levels will trigger buy signals. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Here are some additional signals that you might find intriguing. The Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots suggest a buy signal from 2 days ago. Bollinger Bands show a buy signal from 76 days ago. The short-term moving average indicates a sell signal from 10 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicates a sell signal from 33 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages provided a buy signal 31 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicates a buy signal from 12 days ago. The long-term moving average shows a sell signal from 33 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages provided a buy signal 168 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages provided a buy signal 168 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages provided a buy signal from 33 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages provided a buy signal from 12 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicates a sell signal from 33 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages provided a buy signal from 12 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicates a sell signal from 33 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages provided a buy signal from 33 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicates a sell signal from 33 days ago. The relationship between the short and long move. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for SOXL. SOXL finds support from accumulated volume at $8.73, which may present a potential buying opportunity as an upward reaction can be anticipated when this support level is tested. This exchange-traded fund is known for significant daily fluctuations, reflecting high volatility. The large prediction interval indicated by the Bollinger Band categorizes this ETF as very high risk. Over the last day, the ETF experienced a movement of $3.76 between its high and low points, representing a change of 51.97%. In the past week, the average daily volatility has been 24.70%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SOXL. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for SOXL is at $11.41. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the exchange-traded fund, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, SOXL encounters its first support level at $8.73. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. We currently hold a negative assessment for this exchange-traded fund, and a stop loss has not been established. Is the SOXL ETF a good investment choice? The SOXL ETF currently exhibits several negative indicators and is situated within a broad and declining trend. Consequently, we anticipate it will continue to perform poorly in the upcoming days or weeks. Therefore, we maintain a negative assessment of this ETF. Our analysis has been revised from a strong sell recommendation to a sell candidate since the last evaluation. After examining the volatility and price movements from the most recent trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 8th of April, we expect the SOXL ETF to open lower by approximately 3 cents, beginning trading at $9.12. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.